Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes of 2026. A masterpiece built on the legendary Kenworth T2000 truck chassis. If you thought motorhomes couldn't get more extreme, wait until you see this. This is not just a home on wheels. This is a rolling mansion with the heart of a long-haul trucker and the soul of a five-star resort. The first thing that grabs your attention is the commanding presence of the Kenworth T2000 cab. Its aerodynamic shape, bold chrome grille, and massive stance make this motorhome look more like a luxury semi than a typical RV. The chassis has been reinforced to handle the added weight of premium living spaces, and under the hood, we've got a beastly 15-liter engine capable of delivering power to cross mountains without breaking a sweat. This setup is perfect for those who want the freedom to travel anywhere without sacrificing performance or comfort. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The interior is crafted like a luxury apartment. Think full-grain leather captain chairs, real wood cabinetry, and soft touch finishes everywhere. The living room area comes with an expandable slide-out section, creating an open, spacious lounge. A massive 70-inch 4K smart TV sits front and center with a premium sound system. So whether you're parked in the desert or the mountains, you'll have a full cinematic experience at your fingertips. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Quartz countertops, induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, convection oven, and even a wine cooler. Storage is intelligently designed so nothing feels cramped and everything has its place. This is not just a travel kitchen, it's one you'd be happy to cook in every single day. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, mood lighting, and tons of wardrobe space. A panoramic window lets you wake up to stunning views of wherever you're parked. There's also a smart climate control system that adjusts automatically to keep the perfect temperature, whether you're in the snowy Rockies or a hot desert plain. And we can't ignore the bathroom. This is where most RVs compromise, but not here. You get a full residential-style bathroom with a walk-in rain shower, porcelain toilet, and high-end fixtures. It feels like a luxury hotel suite, not a mobile bathroom. On the tech side, this motorhome is fully loaded. Solar panels on the roof keep the batteries charged, and a high-capacity generator ensures you never run out of power off-grid. There's satellite internet connectivity, touchscreen control panels, and even a driver assist system to make handling this giant surprisingly easy. Overall, this 2026 luxury motorhome built on a Kenworth T2000 chassis is the ultimate blend of power, comfort, and style. It's perfect for full-time travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who wants to turn every road trip into a first-class experience.